learn how you can make a brand universe or a mind map for your brand. But because you're on my channel, it's going to be a little more mad. We're going to reverse engineer Zomato's strategy, all of their content pieces for the last 6 months, and fit it into a brand universe.
This is all the content that Zomato has produced in the last 6 months. Now we're going to categorize these content pieces. We'll call these properties. These are because of the popularity of Zomato, the assets that they hold. These are content formats. These are all engagement tactics. All of this that you see here, which constitutes a large part of their content, is all relatable content. I'm going to keep it straight on the screen so you can take a screenshot and use this later for your reference.
How is this going to help you? It'll tell you how you can make a mind map for your brand. It'll give you an idea of how a brand as big as Zomato and as popular as them can make their content seemingly effortlessly. If you think this content was helpful for you, don't forget to tell me which brand I should dissect next, and don't forget to follow.